there, students. This tutorial is to help you begin the first part of learning how to create a remote control for your robot. So that's going to require 2 microbits. So you're going to want to go in and get out the second loose microbit. We're going to be using the radio category, and we're going to have to write 2 separate programs here. One for this microbit and one for the microbit that's on your robot. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to be doing this in blocks today. So we're going to start a new project, and we're going to call this robot remote. Okay, and let's create that. Now, on this one, we don't need any extensions. Okay, everything we're going to do with this, nothing's plugged into this here. So the idea here is that we're going to use, at the very least, we're going to use the buttons as a remote control. Okay, so we can make the A button go forward, the B button go backward, and the A plus B button together be stop. So first thing we want to do is add in a number here, number 0. And secondly, we want to set a radio channel number. So let's go into radio, and we want to set radio group to a number. I'm just going to leave mine as 1, but whatever number you put in here from 0 to 255 is going to need to be the same on both. And that should be in the on start section here. Okay. Now, what we want this to do is on a certain button push, we want it to send a number, and we want to display on this what it should be doing. Okay, so we're going to need 3 inputs: an on button A, an on button B, and an on button A plus B together. So we're also going to need a code, because we can't send a command. We can send some code, and I'd like you to keep your code in numbers here. So let's make A plus B be a stop. So we can start with that one. So what we want to do is we want to send a number. Let's go radio send to be a 0. Okay, and we should have it display a symbol that has it stop. So I think the X would work well. So we can go into basic and have it show an icon, and let's change that to the X. Okay. So I'm thinking the number 1 would be good for a forward. So let's have on button A pressed. Let's have it go. Send the radio number 1 for forward, and let's have it put in a forward arrow using show LEDs. So we're going to maybe draw out one of these. And then lastly, we're going to go on button B pressed. We're going to have it send the number 2. There's lots of ways of doing this. We're just going to do it with numbers today. And this one is going to be in reverse. So I'm going to draw a backwards arrow. Okay, so our remote will actually show us how we're doing here. Okay, so we're going to want to upload this, or excuse me, download this to the microbit, and then we can go work on your program with your robot. So I'll plug this in, and I'm going to download it here. That works. Now there's nothing yet to receive this yet, but let's see if I can get this to show here. So it shows the number 0 there, so I'm going to press the A button, and that's up. That B button is down, and A plus B button is stopped. All right, so looks like mine worked. So I think we're ready to go watch the other video. So hope this helps, folks.